everyone. My name is Jennifer Stay. That's Steve.
Hi, everyone.
This is Coloring Bliss, and is this the fanciest set of color pencils I've ever bought?
I think it is.
I'm so excited. Now, I did peek inside this box, and I was about to unbox it, and then I froze because I thought, no, we need to do this together. So we're going to unbox this and see what is inside. I am so excited. We have a story to tell you all about what's inside this little brown box. Okay, so before I open this box and show you what's inside, I just want to give you a little backstory of why I got this really fancy set of color pencils. So basically a few weeks ago, we filmed a video for all of you all about what Lightfast is. And I'm going to put a link to that video in the video description, so if you want to go check that video out, you can. It's a really fantastic video. And in that video, I compared the Derwent Lightfast pencils, this little set right here, to the Caran Luminance pencils, one of the very most highly rated Lightfast color pencils on the market, because that's what Derwent is competing with this line of pencils. And it was a really neat experience to compare those two lines of pencils. This one is a lot less expensive compared to the Caran Luminance. And by the time I was done, I was very impressed with the Derwent Lightfast pencils. So go check out that video if you'd like to see me color with these and all of the information on what Lightfast is and whether it's even important to you as an artist and colorist. So this is a really good video. Now, at the end of that video, Steve was like, yeah, we need these pencils. They are really good. They kind of meet our criteria here at Coloring Bliss for a high-end pencil that we like to encourage people to purchase if they're looking for a high-quality pencil. We'll talk more about that here in a little bit. So he went on to dickblick.com and did some research, and this is what happened after he did the research right here. Now, I knew he was bringing in the full set. I was really excited, but I was a little nervous because I don't like the Derwent tins, so I was like, what kind of case am I going to put it in? The Derwent tins are not the best. They don't stay shut. You have to tape them. Every Derwent tin I've ever gotten has this issue. So I said to Steve, you know, we're going to need to buy some cases or a good case to hold all these pencils. There's 100 colors here. And he said, no, I don't think you're going to need that. And so let's see inside here what I have. I'm so excited. Let's open this up. Here we go. Let me get my face off of here so you can see. Oh, okay. So this is the packaging here. And we did some research on dickblick.com, and I even checked Derwent's website. And currently, as of today, it's July 2021, the only way to get the full set, all 100 colors in one box, the only way to get it is in a wood box. That's pretty amazing to me. So, yeah, usually you can get it in a tin, and I think it would bring the price down, but we had to buy it in a wood box, and it took several months. I think it was at least 2 months. We ordered at the end of May, and it didn't come to us until July, so it was a couple months that we had to wait for this to come. So we are just thrilled to finally have it. Like I said, I peeked inside that brown box and saw this and realized it was in a wood box, and I froze. I was like, we have to open this together. So let's peek inside and see what we have here. This is the front. This is what the back looks like here. Oh, we get our first peek of the wood right here. Oh, it's pretty wood. And here's all the information if you're interested. All different languages. There's 100 colors. They're all 100% Lightfast. Again, go check out that other video. I explain what that really means. It's very, it's a little misleading, Lightfast, that word. So go check out that video. Let's see, their finest raw materials and pure pigments, formulated to ensure artwork will not fade for up to 100 years. under museum conditions. Again, go check out that video to understand what that means. Oil-based, so these are oil-based pencils. They're also 4mm core. I'm going to show you the pencil when we open this up. And it's a full 100 color range, which is more colors than what the Caran Luminance currently has available, which I believe, I know they came out with more colors. So the stunning maple box, and it includes an exclusive Lightfast collection book. Ooh, a wonderful lifetime gift for pencil artists. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's open this up. If I can, without hurting the box. I'm going to keep the box. Oh, this is a much easier side to open. Here we go. Oh, that wood is so pretty. Okay, I think we need to turn it over and slide her out. Oh, oh, so pretty. I've never had a set of pencils in a wood box like this before. Wow. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, so we have like brass fittings here to the closures and brass back here. So pretty, and like a shiny gold type writing on the front that says Derwent Fine Art Products, and that's the only thing on the outside of the box. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so we have a really pretty lid, and the whole thing opens flat down. So that's nice, because then we can lift the trays out and nest the trays down here into the lid. Now we get this is, I believe, the standard insert right here, because I think that's what came in. Yeah, that's the same insert that I got in the 12 set. So we've seen this one before in the other video. If you're interested, there's that insert, but we've seen that before. And then it has this nice strip of foam to keep all the pencils all setting nice. I'm just looking at them here. I already see one here that has a problem. That one right there is off-centered, quite dramatically actually. Shoot. Oh, can you see that? How off-centered that is? If you twirl it, you can see how high the wood comes up on the core right here, and then how low it comes down over here. So that's my first indication that, oh, that's frustrating. Okay, but let's keep looking at the case here. Each pencil sits inside a nice little felt-covered slot. Like that. Oh, that's really satisfying the way that sits in there. And then this is the booklet that they're talking about. Ooh, and then we have a nice velvet lined section here. This could be a good place to line up all the pencils you're using in a current project, maybe, right here. Let's see what this booklet's all about. Oh, sorry about the background noise if you can hear that. It's something going on outside in the driveway. Okay, so this is a book all about the manufacturing of the Derwent Lightfast pencils. Some really cool art, photography of all the manufacturing processes. That's really neat. Look at all of that. Oh, that will be really fun to read, all of that. Cool. Okay, so that's the collector's book that it comes with. Oh, and then at the end, there's some tips on layering, superposition, application. I think that must be more about layering. Mixing. Okay, blending, pressure, cool. Oh, that's really neat. Look at all the different colors, how they get stamped into the pencils. Oh, that's really neat. Okay, so that's the collector's book that comes with it. All right, so this is a Derwent Lightfast pencil right here. So it says made in Britain, and then it says Derwent Lightfast on it, and then it has the color name, Pale Peach, and then LF1, that's talking about the Lightfast rating right there. And then it has the color dipped end to kind of give you an indicator of what color the pencil will color out to be. Okay. All right, let's lift up the tray. So then each tray, ooh, that's so fancy. Look at these trays. Let me show you from the other view. So that's how the trays look, with little indentations for your fingers to hold on to it. They're all dovetailed, the trays are. Look at that. Ooh, and it smells so good. Okay, slide that tray down this way. And then we have another foam insert here to keep all the pencils where they belong. Look at those pencils all lined up, so pretty. And in this view here, you can see how each pencil is in its nice little slot. That's just really nice. Now, because it's a wood box, it is quite a bit heavier than a metal tin. So carrying this like on a vacation or something would be difficult. I'm kind of looking for any others that look like they're off-centered, and so far it's just that one pencil. So it looks like the bottom tray is not removable. It's stationary inside the box. And then it has a piece of foam up here. Is that also? No, it comes out. So this last piece of foam will come out like that, so that the pencils can move freely. Again, I'm looking for any more. This one is also off-centered. That one is. So two of them are quite off-centered. So that's a little discouraging. But other than that, the wood box is in a beautiful condition. I'm wondering how it will feel without the strips of foam, because they're a little bit of an annoyance. It moves a little bit, but not bad. Good. And then, like I said, can you keep pencils over here that you're currently coloring with? Probably. Or you keep your collector's book. Like that. And then close it up. Let's see how it closes. Like that. And look at that pretty dovetailing again right here. So pretty. Wow. That is a fancy box. I have never owned such a fancy box before. Let's move it. So yeah, without the foam strips, the trays do move around in there. So I think I probably will keep those foam strips in there just to protect the box and protect the pencils and keep everything, you know, nice and solid inside the fancy box. We have tons of awesome swatch books here at Coloring Bliss, and eventually our plan is to create some really good swatch charts for you for the Derwent Lightfast line of pencils, so you can watch for that. Make sure you have subscribed and you hit like and you follow us over on our website as well, so that when we have those swatch charts, they are available to you as well. Now, we also have swatch charts for Prismacolors and Polychromos and Derwent Inktense and all kinds of different pencils. So come on over to Coloring Bliss and see if we have a swatch chart already made for one of your favorite lines of color pencils. So make sure you watch for upcoming videos. We have some fun giveaways planned and lots of neat releases all planned around this line of pencils. So thanks for joining me with this fun unboxing. I'm glad you were here. And thanks to all of you for supporting us here at Coloring Bliss so that I can purchase products like this and learn all about them and pass my knowledge on to you. I hope you all have a wonderful, colorful, blissful day. I have a lot of coloring to do. Oh, just smells so good. Rosie, you want to smell them? Come here. Come smell them. Come here. Rosie, come. Oh, they smell so good. You want to smell one? Smell that one. Oh, it just smells so good.